I went walking on a beautiful sunny day to see some changes in all the trees. It's autumn now, or fall, and the trees are changing, getting ready for winter. I saw all beautiful colors of the rainbow. Some trees had a lot of leaves. Some trees had a little bit, for they were changing and getting ready for winter. I saw leaves that were yellow, brown too. Some leaves were green, others were red, orange and yellow and golden. Take a minute to look and see how beautiful the leaves can be. Look close in the water. Those are not orange leaves. Those are little koi fish. They live under the green lily pads, and I like to visit them. Even these poor lonely flowers are getting ready for winter. Their colors are gone, and their petals are falling. I saw piles of leaves all over the ground, all around the town. There were piles of golden and brown around. Look at all the leaves that have all fallen down. Here is a tree with no leaves. It's an evergreen tree, and instead of leaves, it has green needles. No, not the kind of needles that you use to sew things, or the kind of needles that you use to get a shot. These are needles instead of leaves, and many of these trees have berries and pine cones.